Hello. So today we're going to be talking about how to make a purchase and become a distributor with Multipure. So what we're going to do is go under products on the home page, then go to drinking water systems, followed by Aqua Perform. If you have an ionizer, this is the best one. This is the most compatible one, the only one to remove arsenic. So this is the one that all Multipure distributors highly recommend. So I'm going to walk you through the process. If you have a K8 or a Kangen machine, this is the one that you want to get. So Aqua Perform, here we go. Underneath that, you'll go to system options and you can either pick countertop kit, single hose diverter. This is going to go perfectly with your K8 or your SD501 or whatever Kangen machine that you have. For the countertop kit, if you want it below the sink kit, then I just recommend the standard chrome plated faucet. As long as you have a little faucet hole where it can go through to over the counter, or you're planning on having someone install and put and drill a hole, then you could also do below the sink kit. Okay, so I'm just going to pick countertop kit for simplicity, single hose diverter. Then Multipure always offers different promotions. So this promotion time, when you're watching this video, it may be a different one, but this round we have a free chlorine shower. It's a little travel one that just gets rid of chlorine, so you can ensure just cleaner water for your body. So I'm going to press yes. It's $11 for shipping. They'll send you a voucher to fill out and send back. Capacity monitor is going to tell you when you need to change your filter. The filter works for 1,200 gallons. So you can choose if you want to have that capacity monitor or not. It just is a nice visual to let you know when to change it. The Aqua Perform acrylic base, you can press no because it already comes with the Aqua Perform, so you don't really need an extra one. The John Guess adapter kit, yes, because this is what's going to connect your filter to your ionizer. It's a perfect little adapter for that. So after that, you're going to go to add to cart, and once it's in your cart, you're just going to go to view or edit your cart. So I'm just going to go ahead and press that, and then you'll see that it's about $6.60 with everything included, with all the different choices that I picked on here. After that, you'll go to coupon code and put whoever's distributor ID sent you this video. So for mine, if I sent you directly this video, it's 435411, and this will apply for a 5% discount code. When you become a distributor, you also have this 5% discount code, and this is how you'll get commission as well. Okay, so after that, we'll just press checkout. There's PayPal, Pay Later. At this time, we have PayPal. If you guys are watching this later, Multipure probably now has financing options, so that will be visible to you as well when you're on the page. So I'm just going to go ahead and press checkout, and then it's going to take you to this page where you just put our general information and press submit. Okay, so once we're all done with that and we press submit, let's say you checked out, then you're going to go back to Multipure. And now that you made your purchase, you can sign up as a distributor. So you'll scroll down on the home page until you get to business opportunities, and then you'll press enroll now. Once you press that button, you will fill out everything in step 1 with your personal information, and then your sponsor information, which they will give to you, so you can make sure you fill this all out. After that, you'll just press step 2, and on step 2, you're going to get your builder kit. This is what's going to qualify you as a distributor. It's a one-time fee of $50. This is going to include all your marketing materials, including like half a solid carbon block and some different brochures to help you get started. And it's a one-time fee for your distributorship. All right, if you have any questions, reach out to whoever sent you this video. I'm excited for your Multipure journey as a user and distributor. Bye now.